Check out this spot. Waterfalls down over there. And we got Uncas Falls here. They did new stairs, a new walkway. Whoa, look at the water. New walkway. Wow. New tables. The old train bridge. Wow. Well, they put a little platform over there too, a viewer. There was an old mill. That was an old mill over there. An old bridge. You trying to push me into the waterfall, Lonnie?
No.
Huh? I think you are. Wow. Look at the water. All the moss on the rocks. Wow. He's spitting in the water. No train bridge. Wow. You fall over this, you ain't gonna make it. Wow. It's big. Big waterfall. Wow. Happy New Year, everyone. Happy New Year. One of our last videos of 2024. Uncas of the Mohegan Sun tribe jumped over and hurt his leg, but he survived. When they're having a wars. Wow, that's a lot of water. Huh? Old rusted up train bridge. Wow. Whoa, huh? Wonder how deep the water is. Look at the clouds in the water.